Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to deposit funds into your Coinbase account. So if you've been wondering how to get this done, how to deposit funds into your Coinbase account, then this video is for you. I'm going to give you guys a couple of step-by-step guide on how to get this done. It's going to be a really quick video, so let's just get straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Coinbase account. And then once you're logged into your account, remember you can log into your account on the Coinbase mobile app, or you can do that on the website. But once you're logged into your account, just go to the dashboard tab, and there you're gonna click on deposits. And now you're gonna need to choose your payment method. So just choose the payment method that suits you the best, and then enter the deposit amount. And once that's done, you want to confirm the deposit to make sure that the information is correct. Once you go through that, just wait for the deposit to be processed successfully. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to deposit funds into your Coinbase account. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.